How much would you say you yell at people?
A lot, dude.
A lot?
A lot. Anybody I see, bud, yelling.
And do you ever get like a positive result from it?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's your
The
favorite?
most negative response I've got from yelling at people is like, hey, and they run, and I'm in a car, so just drive away. And they're most...
Hi guys, welcome back to another week of Moto Vlogs. Today where I got the bikes all loaded up. Found these guys walking on the side of the road to come with me. We're heading out to a special secret riding location. I'm not actually allowed to tell people where we're riding, but...
Chilo! Got him. I got him.
You say Cheeto?
I said Chilo.
Chilo.
I'm pretty sure it means...
No, Cheeto means
Cool.
cool. Cheeto means cool.
Really?
Cheeto.
Oh, I thought it was Chilo.
I think it's
Door is open on the ice box!
Alright, we're real close to this secret location. No markers, nothing to give us away, but when we get there, you still have no idea. It will be going down. No idea where we are. The directions to get to this place was go until you get lost. And when you think there's no way that you could possibly be there,
That's when you're supposed to be there, but
that's when
we're
you get
past
there.
A horse!
Jeez! A horse!
Do not use this product in or near eyes.
Spray it into your mouth.
It says something,
Dude, it smells
nothing
delicious.
actually about the mouth.
Try
so.
it into your mouth.
Duh! That's rough.
It's the good stuff there.
Ah!
That wasn't mouth spray.
Yeah, no, I realized that. USDA organic.
Yeah.
My ass.
Just when you think you were completely lost, bro,
We found
we have found the secret corner factory.
Look, there's a corner there.
This is where all the
There's a
greats
corner there.
have learned how to master the corner. Dude, look at these corners. These are beautiful.
Nice.
Oh, dude, I never thought about
You
that.
can't put it in gear, so it like doesn't stay in place. I gotta put a strap that
What'd you
holds it forward.
What'd you name the Alta?
I haven't yet.
Can you name it Kyle?
No. Karen. I think like Cortana or something.
Oh, Cortana.
Like the phone. Yeah.
Like, it's so quiet.
Out at our place, I haven't ridden my dirt bike out there just because I don't want people to complain. And so then I started riding this thing around there, and then I went across the highway and to a spot I hadn't ridden.
Give me knuckles, buddy. Atta boy.
Yeah.
All right, what's going on, everyone? Kyle Bisconnor here with MX Training Secrets, coming at you live from our secret training facility. You know, if you are trying to learn how to become a master on your dirt bike, you know, beat your competition and really get the race results you're looking for, you got to practice, you got to put in the time, and you got to have the right techniques. And so you can kind of see in the background here, this is where we're training at today. And as you can see, there's no big jumps. It's just corners, and that's what it takes, you know, to be good. So you really got to develop that muscle memory. They say it takes between 2,000 and 3,000 reps of anything to build the muscle memory you needed. Otherwise, you have to think about what you're doing. And so I don't know if this is like you guys, but if you ever got to a track and your first couple laps out, you just feel off. You don't feel like you're doing it right. You just haven't found your groove. A lot of times it's because you haven't developed the muscle memory yet, and you have to think about it. You have to think about it. And so that's why it's so important to practice the right techniques and to practice and to push yourself. And so that's what we're doing out here today. And here is where we're at. Boom. Are going to cause you I bet you it's so hard to track through there, but
It is because you're coming up out of that. Yeah, it's pretty hard.
so there's three things we always talk about. It's technique, it's mindset, and then practice. But you know, thing about you, Alex, is you practice more than anybody at this stuff.
It's fun. I love practicing. I love perfecting my craft, and I love challenging myself. Because this is hard.
Yeah.
Hard to do. You're holding on tight. You don't get any chance to relax. So
Yeah. You know, this stuff doesn't happen overnight. Yeah. I got room.